welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my favorite Nykaa haul for you guys. So Nykaa is having their Valentine's Day sale from the 11th to the 20th of February. So you can grab your favorite products at this time because there is like a huge variety of discounts on brands like Maybelline, L'Oreal, herbal essences and various other brands. So if you want to know what all I picked up from this sale, then first do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends, and also let's just get started with this video. So first let's begin with skincare, and Nykaa recently launched their Skin RX serums. These serums are really good and potent and they come in a different varieties. So I got 4 of them, and these were received in PR, but I have tried and tested the hyaluronic serum that is extremely good for hydrating and nourishing your skin. So you can pick up whichever serum is based on your skin type and try it for yourself. On to my favorite, Nykaa Beauty makeup. This is a range of the Nykaa Black Magic range, and this has 4 different products in it. The first one is the Black Magic mascara. That's what I am wearing on my eyelashes today. It gives your lashes a blast of volume and makes them look really fluffy. And the second product is the gel liner. This is the Black Magic gel liner, and it comes with a brush itself. So this comes in really handy if you are looking to invest in something that gives you a really nice sharp defined wing, and also the fact that it's a gel liner, it will be quite long lasting as well. Next I also got the Nykaa Black Magic liquid liner. It's a really good liner because it comes with a really precise brush and it gives your eyes a really nice fleeky eyeliner look. Then we move on to kajal, and we have the Nykaa Black Magic kajal. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a really dark and deep kajal, and I really love that it's affordable as well. It's priced at 170 only, but you can always get great deals and discounts during the Nykaa Beauty discount sales. And also you should look out for those time slots. It's like 6 to 9 p.m. wherein you get extra added discounts. So that's a quick little hack. Then I picked in 2 bits for my skincare routine. First one is the Vaseline lip balm. This is like a really nice tin lip balm. I bought the original variant, and I'm wearing it before using any sort of matte liquid lipstick, and this provides me a really nice hydration, and it also doubles up as a lip sleeping mask as well. Price is also very affordable. It's priced at 250, but always get discounts on this one. Then I also got the Simple Hemp Serum. This is what it looks like, and this product is also a really great one. This is what the packaging looks like. It has a very nice moisturizing effect to your skin. Even if it's a serum, then also it gives a really nice hydrated look. And this also is really good if your skin is like suffering and your skin barrier is compromised, as it doesn't have any harsh chemicals, no alcohol, no mineral oils, and there is no artificial color or perfume. So the ones who have sensitive skin type, Simple Beauty is a really good skincare brand that you can try. Simple Skincare makes in a really nice range of products that are not only affordable but also they work really well for sensitive skincare. So yeah, this was my other purchase. Then moving on to moisturizers, I got the Aqualogica Sorbet Cream. This is a really lovely hydrating moisturizer. I received this one in PR, and the tub is just humongous, and I think I'll take a good 6 months to finish this product. But oh my god, the level of hydration it provides your skin is absolutely beyond. And I haven't tried any moisturizer that is this good. As this actually nourishes and pampers your skin, making it like really glowy and dewy for a really long time. So my friends with dry skincare, and those who are suffering from dry patches during this transition season, will definitely enjoy this product a lot. Now we'll move on to nail paints, and I was really fortunate to receive the Nykaa newly launched Insta Dry nail paints in PR. I got to try 10 shades from them, and I was really impressed by the shade range that they provided, and also the fact that these nail paints just dried instantly on my nails, and the finish, the color payoff of these nail paints is just so unique. And I was really in love with the brush also, as it dispersed the product quite evenly on the nails, and these are actually really good, and the smell on these ones is like also much better than the other ones. And these actually are really good because they not only dry like less than 10 to 20 seconds, but also the fact that they do not chip that easily on you. Now we'll move on to hair care, and in that category I've got the Saint Botanica hair care range. This is the Moroccan Argan Oil shampoo, and it also came in with a matching conditioner with it. I really love the range of Saint Botanica shampoos because I have tried the Ringraj variant, and it actually helps with the really nice thickness for your hair, and the argan oil serum is really good if you want to use it. So I got in these two products for me to try. Next, moving on to skincare, I got in the Bioderma Atoderm cream. This is like a body and face moisturizer. This is actually good for normal to dry sensitive skin. So my skin was really irritated and compromised with acne. So I thought, why not use some product that is really good for dry patches, and also it's good for sensitive skin. So Bioderma is such a brand that it has like really good micellar waters, and I've tried the micellar water as well, and the sunscreens are also really good. So I thought of investing in a really nice moisturizer from them, and this one is 200 ml and you get it for $5.99, and the quantity is huge on this one. And sometimes on your body as well, if you have like itching or dry patches or peeling skin, then this moisturizer comes in really handy. So sometimes during winters my nails just have those flaky skin, and during winters it's like a really difficult time to maintain your skin. So at that time this moisturizer comes in really handy. So then I tried a new launch from Mamaearth. This is the Mamaearth lip serum. This is like the latest launch from the brand Mamaearth, and the first time they've launched like a lipstick sort of a product. And I thought, why not try a really nice nude shade. So this is what the shade looks like. So this particular shade would prove really good for most skin tones, and this is the shade Caramel Nude 01. They have a good range in this, and the best part is that it's moisturizing and at the same time it dries down to a matte. So you do not get that discomfort sort of a feeling when you apply any sort of lip product, and the applicator is very precise on this one, and it gives a really nice look to your lips as well. Now we'll move on to Pop Exo makeup. So Pop Exo Beauty has launched their makeup line, and I got their shimmery nail paints. This is like a glitter top coat, and you get 5 nail paints, and the pricing is $249. So it's like really good, 50 rupees per nail paint. And these are really good as top coats, whenever you require like your manicure to stay for a long time, then always use a glitter top coat and it will stay for a good 2 to 3 weeks. Then I also got the Myglamm palette from them. So really good travel palette, as you get like a translucent powder, a blush, like 2 shades of blush, and this is a highlighter. So I'm wearing this highlighter today, and this is a really nice gold toned highlighter, and it gives your skin a really beautiful look. So if you're looking for something to carry in your purse, as it has like a really nice translucent powder as well, then you should definitely check out the Myglamm palette. Then from Myglamm I got 2 body washes. First one is the germ killing body wash in rose, honey and aloe vera variant. It comes with a pump as well. Second is the lavender, chamomile and tea tree oil body wash. This is a really affordable product. So this is priced at 200 and this one is priced at 299. So if you'd like to try some new body washes that give a really nice soothing fragrance and it lingers for some time on your skin, then you can check out the Myglamm body washes. Next in skincare I got the Youthful cream. This is the Youthful Hydrating Moisturizing Gel with water bank technology, and this has like marine minerals, and this product is really good for someone that has like issues with the moisturizer not staying for a long time. And this is what the packaging looks like. It has a very nice mild fragrance, and these are one of the premium lines of skincare from Myglamm, the Myglamm Youthful range, and this is like a really good dupe of the Laneige water sleeping mask. So yeah, you can check out this product. This is my Nykaa Valentine's Day haul, and do share with me what product was your favorite, and also do not forget to check out the links of each product in the description box, and I shall be back with a really nice video soon. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Take care. Bye.